curve, so I'm going to go ahead and get some graph paper here.
Oh yeah. Why are you using that clicker?
Let's graph.
Okay, so here we go. We know this is a semicircle of radius 2. So it goes from, and I'm going to space this out a little bit. Maybe that 1, 2. But it's just the top half of that semicircle, correct? Now, how would I know if it's the bottom half? It would be negative, yes. It would look like that, correct? Now, I want to find this area, correct? The area under the curve?
Yes.
How do I find that area?
1/2 pi r squared.
1/2 pi r squared.
Oh, yes.
It's a
Yes.
circle. It's half a circle, correct? We are using geometry to find these integrals for right now. Okay, that will change later, but that's just 1/2 pi, and what's my radius?
2.
2. So what will I get here? 2 pi. That's it. You're using geometry. Now, of course, you need to know your geometry formulas. You need to know circles, of course, rectangles. Trapezoids is a big one. You remember the area for trapezoid?
Base 2 minus base 1 pi.
Base 1 plus base 2. Remember, you average.
Oh, you divide by 2.
Yeah, I put times a half. You average the bases, right? That's trapezoid. We need that anyway this chapter, so you might as well use it when you can. Okay. Now, if I change these limits, this interval, it changes the answer. So, for instance, that was from 0 to 2. That would only be
A quarter.
that, a quarter. Right, from 0 to 2, correct? Which you then do 1/4 pi r squared. Yeah? So we've got to use a little thinking. This is just basically geometry. We graph it and then use what we know to find that area. Questions?